extra. Love use. Go extra.
Grandma said ball on her, mama told me all the ropes. Daddy got killed at a young age and I didn't know. Raised on the sales side, I was selling packs of 10. Had about 100 racks and I'm just keep stacking them. And I almost lost my life one day when niggas came and tried to spray this nigga standing next to me and I didn't know. I'm just riding on the block and I keep going. And this rap shit I've been rapping for a long time, I keep flowing. If I had a chance, I'd tell my niggas try to ball, go get a job. Say your ass about these fucking streets. The streets will eat you up, nigga, shit you out. And niggas don't even care, spit you out. Damn, but I was raised where them good boys play at and split it out. Come back, you get more, go ahead and get it out. Pack so big, it can't fit in my pocket. Gun so big, you might think it was a rocket. Yeah, I'm in a rocking chair, rocking grandpa, smoking big old blunts. Yeah, the homie move big things up in the trunk. Niggas do what the fuck that they want. That's what we do, nigga. Yeah, so stay true, nigga. Before we shoot you in your face and snatch your shoes, nigga. Yeah, take your chain off, homie, and take pictures with it. Niggas, bitches with it. So don't play with me. We in the streets all day. Hustling, niggas trying to eat all day. Right? We on the turf all day. Smoking on that herb all day. Get it? We in the streets all day, like hustling, trying to eat all day. We on the turf all day, smoking on that herb all day. Ball with me, yeah. Smoke a blunt and hit the paw with me, yeah. Flip the pack and come ball with me, yeah. We at the spot where we tip at, yeah. We on the turf where we grid at, we on the track where them packs at, yeah. We in the straps where our laps at. Yeah, and in the straps on our lap, yeah. Then we shoot you in your ball cap, yeah. If you complain about that money though, we just flipping through them hundreds though, yeah. And we gritting about that money though, yeah. We get it Monday through Sunday, bro, yeah. If you didn't know it, then you know it then, yeah. We got them things in the shoulders in, yeah. We got them elbows and knees too, yeah. We call them birdies and they breeze through. We in the streets all day. Hustling, nigga trying to eat all day. We on the turf all day. Smoking all that herb all day. With it. We in the streets all day. Hustling, trying to eat all day. We on the turf all day. Smoking on that herb all day. Ball with me. Yeah, boy King Richards in here. Freestyling. Striker Baker Music Studios. Railroad Records. YPC on Paper Chaser. Let's do it.